Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 12th, 2019, and I wanted to show you today how to plant onion sets. So these are some onion sets that we bought. Now I do still have my onion seedlings, and I will show you a quick thing of those at the end of this video. So one of the first things that you want to do is you want to prepare your planting spot for your onion sets. And you want to make sure that you get out all of the weeds. And we're doing ours in rows, so we already have the row here and we added some plant food in. So now you want to mix your plant food in. And you want to make sure that you get it mixed in nice and good so that you don't burn your onion sets or your onion seedlings. So we are expecting rain today, and that will help with making sure that it doesn't burn your onion seedlings or your onion sets. Now you don't want to put in too much because you can burn your plants, and we are using the Expert 6-10-10 plant food in these. So the first onion sets that we're going to be planting are the Harvest Blend. And this is a mixture of a bunch of different types of onions. So we're just sticking these in here. So I'm just putting these in here. Now I am pressing them down in some. And I'm putting them about, for me, a fist apart. Let me just, yeah. Just pushing them down in here. Now, when you select your onion sets, it's okay if they're sprouting, as long as the bulbs aren't mushy or dried out. So like this one here is sprouting. So we're just going to stick this one here in then. And when this is all done, I will come back and I will show you. So we got the onion sets planted, and we're just taking and moving some of the dirt back in around the onion bulbs so that they don't get washed out. But you don't want to cover them. So you can see this row over here is done, and you can see how much of the onions we left out. That one there is a little shallow. Put some more soil around that. And when you fill in around your onion sets or your onion seedlings, you want to make sure that the ground is nice and soft. And you want to make sure where you plant your onions at, that the ground is nice and soft. You don't want clay, you don't want hard ground or ground that packs. You want nice, soft soil. And you also want to make sure that the spot where you plant your onions at is well drained, because they do not like to be sitting in water. Okay, so this is all done and planted. Now we do have a lot of the red onions left over, so we're going to be moving them elsewhere to a different planting area to finish planting those. Now because they're calling for rain, we're not going to water these, but when you plant them, go ahead and give them a nice gentle watering with the shower on your the spray nozzle, and make sure that the water coming out of the hose is not hot. So as these continue to grow, I will come back with more videos and I will show them to you. Okay, so I said I would show you my onion seedlings, and these are my onion seedlings here. Now I started these back in January indoors under my lights. I didn't have the greenhouse greenhouse hoop house at the time. So I did move these out here, I think on the 9th. They were moved out to the hoop house. And I have videos on my channel for how I started them from seed, how I took care of them, how I trimmed them, and all that. So you can check that out on my channel. And these are mostly all heirlooms except for the Countrywide hybrid onion. And I'll talk more about these in another video, but I just wanted to give you a quick look at them. And you can see they're nice and sturdy, and I achieved that by trimming them. Now I do run a fan out here. I just turned it off so I could do the video for you, because it's back here where the onion seedlings are, and you wouldn't have been able to hear anything. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.